Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it.
Modulus and argument. Modulus and argument. Argument of complex number. We know that Z is equals to A plus IB plus or minus. Modulus of complex number is module Z is equals to R is equals to root A square plus B square, and argument of complex number is theta is equals to tan inverse B divided by A is equals to arg Z. If Z is equals to A plus BI or IB, both A and B are positive, then complex number Z is in first quadrant. If A is negative and B is positive, then complex number Z is in second quadrant. If A and B both are negative, then complex number Z is in third quadrant. Next, if A is positive and B is negative, then complex number Z is in fourth quadrant. Different ways of representation of complex number. Z is equals to A plus IB plus or minus IB, known as Cartesian form. Z is equals to R into bracket cos theta plus or minus I sin theta, known as polar form. Z is equals to R into e raised to plus or minus I theta, known as exponential form. Here r is equals to module z is equals to root a square plus b square, and theta is equals to argument of z is equals to tan inverse b upon a e raised to plus or minus I theta is equals to cos theta plus or minus I sin theta, known as Euler's identity. Examples on complex number. Express complex number, given complex number in polar form. First example, z is equals to minus 1 upon 2 plus root 3 upon 2i. Second, z is equals to 1 minus cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Z is equals to solution. Z is equals to a plus or minus ib, known as Cartesian form. And z is equals to r into bracket cos theta plus or minus I sin theta, known as polar form. Therefore, r is equals to root a square plus b square, and theta is equals to tan inverse module b upon a. For first example, a is equals to minus 1 upon 2 and b is equals to root 3 upon 2. Therefore, r is equals to root bracket 1 upon 2 bracket square plus root 3 upon 2 bracket square. When we square, the negative term is always positive. Therefore, root 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 is equals to LCM is 4. For both these terms, addition of the numerator, root 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1. Therefore, module z is equals to r is equals to 1. Similarly, theta is equals to tan inverse into module root 3 upon 2 divided by minus 1 upon 2. 2 get cancelled is equals to tan inverse module minus root 3 is equals to tan inverse root 3 is equals to pi by 3, 60 degree is equals to 60 degree. But a is negative and b is positive. Therefore, given complex number is in second quadrant. Therefore, arg z equal to theta is equals to pi by 2, pi minus pi by 3 is equals to 2 pi by 3. Therefore, z is equals to minus 1 upon 2 plus root 3 upon 2I is equals to cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 is polar form. Second example, z is equals to 1 minus cos alpha plus I sin alpha. According to trigonometry, 1 minus cos alpha is equals to 2 sin square alpha upon 2, and sin alpha is equals to 2 sin alpha upon 2 into cos alpha upon 2. Therefore, z is equals to 2 sin square alpha upon 2 plus I sin I into I sin alpha upon 2 into cos alpha upon 2 is equals to 2 sin alpha upon 2 common outside into bracket sin alpha upon 2 plus I cos alpha upon 2. Sin theta is equals to cos pi by 2 minus theta, and cos theta is equals to sin pi by 2 minus theta. Therefore, z is equals to 2 sin alpha upon 2 into bracket cos pi by 2 minus theta minus alpha upon 2 plus I sin pi by 2 minus alpha upon 2 is the representation of complex number in polar form.
If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good